In the previous videos, we had built a very basic prototype of our challenge and an engaging community where people are collaborating and seeing their even personal score that is there, right? Like here you can see Alex Johnson is on the third position with his points that are there, and he's in the third in the leaderboard. So now I want to these buttons are not working. When I click this is just a static page with I just made this in 5-10 minutes using the previous prompts and just getting a structure that is ready. Now what I want to do is I will take this particular thing, go to ChatGPT, ask it to convert this into a very basic prompt template where there are some buttons that are clickable. So if you can see, write a prompt from static to live where when buttons are clicked to open a pop-up to show various items like what challenges are live, where the name of the quizzes are available to take, and very basic thing that they have given something. Then I asked it to create a prompt, markdown prompt that I'm going to put it on magic pattern. So what is magic pattern? This is a very nice tool for people who are building to get an idea about these applications that are there. So if you can go to magic pattern, this is a UI platform that can do this. You need to log in. There is a free tier that is available, so you can just put your email ID here, and I'm exploring this tool as well with you guys. There is going to send a verification code. So the verification code, as you know, will so magic pattern, and once I copy this, I will go here and paste it. So now my account is verified, and all of you can do this in a matter of seconds. Now what I'm going to do is I will do two things, right? For it to understand the pattern, I will also give a screenshot of this whole page, right? I will be giving a screenshot of this page, and very basic page, and the same thing that I give ChatGPT, I will be giving this here as well. And once I give this page, so this is my design, I will give this design here, and what I will do is I will take the prompt that I created from our ChatGPT, this one, I can just do copy here. This is the markdown, high fidelity matching the above specs. Please generate include both buttons are scoreable. So now what I want to do is I will go back to magic pattern, and I will interactive task attached a screenshot. Attached is the screenshot of the static page. So this is something that I have given. So once I do this design, I'll just right now I'm just doing this, and I am just looking at the first prototype that it is going to build. So now if you can see, I will just do continue. Let's go. Role, I will just say founder. I heard this from others. I will just mention I heard this from LinkedIn. Finish. So this is a basic thing. So now if you can see, it is exporting to Figma. You can you can do export all these things to even Figma and other things that are there as well. So it is this is like a mix between Anthropic, the one that we used, and the developer software that are there like Claude and not Claude, like Cursor, Lovable. So this is something in the middle where I request everyone, because this is a business building challenge that we are running, which is for non-developers, even for developers, to get an idea of what product that they are building, what particular thing that it is using. This is something that is going to take some time. So now if you can see, it is running something very quick. It has created now a very basic this thing that is there. I can just click open preview in a new new window. So now something like this happens. So now this web page has been created and this is there here. I can do take quiz. So it is going to give me options of quizzes that are available. Join challenge, it is going to give me options of challenges that are available. So now it has given us it will not work for any other thing now, because I have not given the details of other things, but you saw the power of this, right? So now you have this, and now once you go you can, because when you build these type of things, you will understand that you have to go through different levels. So this is something that has been built. You have a edited dashboard. You can also export to Figma. You can open preview. You can get the code. So if you want to see the code, you can see this the whole structure that is here. So they have used .tsx. They have done everything, and you even if you want to deploy, you can even deploy this. So if you want to deploy this, if you don't have a DNS, you can just leave it for now, but we can add that DNS like your Hostinger and everything, and you can deploy it. This is something that is amazing. You can try to experiment with this. You can try to get an interaction. You can make it little bit more. If I click this, nothing will happen. So you need to give the details about this as well. So these are the way we need to step along this. If you can see, this is the pop-up. I have explained this, and this is happening. Now if you want to go a little bit more detail, you can do that as well. Click the outside model on the close icon. Buttons and pop-ups should have a modern round thing. These are something. So this is the way to play around with magic pattern. You can do a lot of things with this. You can export to Figma. So copy and paste the layer ID into so this is something that you can do as well. So thank you very much. Explore this, and you can also, one more thing that I forgot for the developers that are there, you can get all the code that is there. So app.txt has everything. So if you want to take this, you can put this in GitHub. You can sync it to GitHub. You can export to Figma. You can download the code with up. So if you want to sync to GitHub, so it is going to, you need to do all these things. So the easier way is export, download code zip, and you can open this in VS Code and do a little bit of more editing that is there. So right now we have just created pop-ups that are there. So they have not created a new page or something, but you can see the beauty of this. How many lines of code? Approximately 242 lines of code. Index.cxc is very simple. This is and tailwind.config. So this is also, you can do this as well if you are a developer, but mostly this is something that is there. Is this link shareable? Let us try to see if this is something that you can share as well to. Yes, this link is, I think it is opening up. It is shareable. So this is a good prototype that has been built, which can also be a submission that people and judges can see as well. So thank you very much. I hope you explored magic pattern. You saw how things work, how you can converted a quick static page into a live page using this amazing platform. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.